Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tamara with Beauty Element. Today we have a fantastic unboxing for you, our Destiny Green Lace Wig. They are made with premium synthetic fiber. They all have amazing HD lace attached to each wig. And we have some fun features to share with you today. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Let's dive in. Let's open this beautiful box and see what's inside. So our first wig is Monarch in the length 12 inch. Today we have color 1B, and this wig is featured in 7 different colors. So we do have our natural blacks and natural browns, which are the 1, 1B, 2, and 4. And we also have some highlighted colors. So F1B30, F427, and our fancy ginger, which is a new color that we have here at Beauty Elements. So this wig is a subtle curl. Well, you could either call it like a little wave. That the hair texture is. So it has a subtle wave. All the wigs do feature great baby hair, so you can customize it to your liking. This wig is a T-part wig, which is 13 by 4, so 13 inches across and 4 inches deep. Now let's flip the wig inside out to show you the inside. Each of our wig is made with antibacterial stretch cap, so it's suitable for all head sizes. So as you can see, this wig stretches. Now let's take a closer look at Destiny's Green Wig. The first thing that caught my eye is the quality of the hair. This quality is, again, premium synthetic fiber, and it can be heat safe up to 350 degrees. So that means that you can use your flat iron, your hot comb on this wig without burning the fibers. That's how great the quality is. What makes this wig even more impressive is the HD lace. Each of the lace is hand tied to give you that more realistic appearance. Inside the cap, you will find 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 placed in the back for security. We also have an adjustable strap that can be adjusted to any size that you would like. And this allows our green wigs to be glueless. So you don't have to add any adhesive to wear this wig. Moving on to Adonis. This is a 10-inch short bob wig. And again, it is available in those 7 colors that I mentioned before. Let's open this wig. Remove all your protective packaging. All of our green wigs are featured with the same basic features, which is our HD lace, our 3 combs that are sewn into the wig for you. So 1 long one on the back and 2 on the sides. This wig is also a T-part wig, which is 13 by 4. So 13 inches across the circumference of the head and 4 inches deep. Our knots are hand tied and small so that it will appear realistic. Each wig is built with our antibacterial cap and, you guessed it, another elastic band. So for all of our green wigs, they do feature an elastic band to promote healthy hair growth. So you do not have to add any adhesive or anything to attach this to your head. Simply insert your combs Strap your elastic band around your head and you're ready to go. This wig has a bigger body curl to this wig. It is short but full, and you get that cute bob style with Adonis. Moving on to our Chelsea 26 inch. This wig comes in the natural colors, which are 1, 1B, 2, and 4, and our highlighted colors, which are F1B30, F427, and our fancy ginger. I am in love with this wig. I love the cut of this wig and the fullness of this wig. The color I have here for you today is our number 4. This wig features a long bang and a layered curl, which is very trendy at the moment. It does have that lovely baby hair and our impressive HD lace. The lace is incredibly fine and blends seamlessly with any skin tone. As you guessed it, it is another T-part wig that is 13 by 4 inches. It is heat safe up to 350 degrees. Now let's talk about the cap. The cap is constructed with an antibacterial, lab-approved wig cap, which is great. It is breathable, which allows your natural hair underneath to breathe. And because it is an elastic cap, it fits any size. So no more worrying if the wig will fit you. It stretches to any head size. The wig is featured with 3 different combs, also adjustable strap, which helps you secure this wig to your head. Again, it comes with an adjustable elastic band to allow the wig to be glueless. So again, you don't need any glue or any adhesive to attach this securely to your head. It is beginner friendly, so if you don't know how to put on a lace, don't worry girl, we got you covered. This wig is very bouncy, the movement of the hair is very realistic. You can never tell it is synthetic. We have our Triana 14 inch, which is a lovely curly afro wig. I love the color on this wig. And we have it in our L350. So this wig does come in the 7 stock colors that we have listed on our hand tag, which is the natural 1, 1B, 2, and 4. We also have 2 highlighted colors, which are F1B30 and F427. Also our L350, which is the color right here. So let's remove it from the package. So this wig is just a little different from the ones that I just mentioned, because even though it is a T-parted wig, it is a curved T-parted wig. So it is a side part, allowing you to wear the wig on the side. This wig is very full and fluffy. I love the color of it. Again, you come with that luscious baby hair at the front, so you can style it how you like. The lace, again, is HD with the hand-tied knots. And This wig will look very natural once you apply it to your head. Inside the wig, our cap is made with a lighter color other than black, just because of the hair color that it is. You don't want to have any black peeking through. Made with that antibacterial fungal cap. And again, it is lab approved. A great adjustable cap that you can adjust to any size that you want. Also, if you don't want the band and you want to attach it without it, go ahead and cut it off. It's easily removable. You do have those added combs just for extra security, so no slippage will happen. Just insert the comb into your head on both sides and one in the back, and go ahead, strap that band in, and you are ready to go. This wig is very beginner friendly because anybody can attach this wig. We make these green wigs for you to be fast and easy to wear. And this wig is also heat safe up to 350 degrees. And our final wig is our Ringlet 20 inches in the color 1B. It is a layered, but a long layered look with a nice, smooth, wavy, curly look. It is side part, so you can get that trendy side part look that is sweeping the nation right now. We do also have that long baby hair, so you can customize it to your liking, and our hand-tied parted knots, and give you that natural human hair look. We do have our clips that are standard with all of our green wigs, which are 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and our elastic band. The wig is very stretchy, so again, it fits all head size. The hair is very soft, and it is heat safe up to 350 degrees, so you can curl and style this as you like. So go ahead and leave a comment down below and letting me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much, and choose green wigs for your next wig installation.